Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to walk you through the steps to enable Ultra HD streaming on Netflix so you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies in the highest possible quality. It's easier than you think, so let's get started. First, it's important to know that you'll need a Netflix plan that supports Ultra HD. The basic and standard plans don't offer 4K streaming, so you'll need to make sure you're subscribed to the premium plan. To check this, you'll need to log into your Netflix account through a web browser, not the app. Once you're logged in, hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and click on Account. On the Account page, look for the Plan Details section. Here, you'll see which plan you're currently on. If you're not on the premium plan, you can click Change Plan and select the premium option. Remember that upgrading your plan will change your monthly subscription fee. Next, you'll need to make sure your streaming device and TV are both compatible with Ultra HD. Most modern smart TVs and streaming devices like Roku, Apple TV, and Amazon Fire Stick support 4K, but it's always a good idea to double-check the specifications of your devices. You can usually find this information on the manufacturer's website or in the device's manual. Also, you will need a stable internet connection of at least 25 megabits per second to stream in Ultra HD smoothly. You can run an internet speed test using websites like speedtest.net to make sure your connection is fast enough. Now that you've got the right plan, a compatible device, and a good internet connection, let's move on to adjusting your playback settings. From your account page on the Netflix website, scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section. Click on your profile and then select Playback Settings. Here you'll see a few options, including Data Usage per Screen. Click Change next to this setting. Finally, change your data usage setting to high. This will allow Netflix to stream content in the highest possible quality, including Ultra HD when available. Once you've selected high, click Save. It might take a few minutes for the changes to take effect, but once they do, you should be able to start enjoying Netflix in stunning Ultra HD resolution, provided the title you are watching is available in 4K. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.